Today's topic is space exploration, the Outer Space Treaty, and the future of human subjects research ethics, and is presented by Tom Salazar. Tom Salazar is the Chief Research Oversight and Compliance Officer at Travis Air Force Base in Northern California and a consultant for Pathfinder International, a global nonprofit organization, and Solutions IRB, a private IRB. He has developed multiple publications on bioethics and research compliance, with topics ranging from psychedelic drugs to neuroscience, artificial intelligence, and space research. In addition to his roles as compliance officer and consultant, he is a co-lecturer for the Bioethics and Public Health course at McGeorge School of Law. And now, I'm going to pass the mic to Tom to begin this presentation.
There are three key learning objectives that we will be exploring today. The first is to learn why human subjects research in space, or HSRS for short, is fundamentally different than human subjects research on Earth. The second is to understand the limitations of current principles governing human subjects research ethics when applied to HSRS. And the third is to explore short-term and long-term considerations for ensuring progress in space exploration and science is not made at the expense of research participants in space. I want to begin by defining the scope of human subjects research in space. HSRS refers to research with human subjects conducted at least 62 miles above sea levels, which is also known as the Kármán line. This includes research on space stations, space colonies, and spacecraft reaching the Earth's orbit. However, HSRS does not include space research activities conducted on Earth. This includes research about astronauts or benefiting space travel, and research in extreme Earth environments analogous to space. So given that HSRS has already taken place and will ramp up in the near future, let's consider which regulations apply in the space context. I divided HSRS into four categories many of you are already familiar with: federally funded research, clinical investigations, research that is privately funded, and research receiving international funding. The regulations that apply depend on which category HSRS falls into. For example, federally funded research must follow common rule requirements, while clinical investigations must follow FDA and ICH GCP requirements. But I do want to highlight 2 points. As you can see from the table, the Outer Space Treaty applies to all research conducted in outer space. This is because it is an international treaty that is binding law.
In closing, I also invite everyone to review our content offerings regularly, as we are continually adding new courses and webinars in various areas of research, ethics, compliance, and professional development.